Welcome to Bell CB this morning. We're looking at the Galaxy DX-2517. This is for John in Alabama. We're looking at it kind of sideways this morning because I wanted to show you the backside. This is going to be an emergency radio for John, and he wanted to be able to have an external DC power input. So I gave him this jack with that strain relief and this twin plug. It's a nice gauge wire I had for an ICOM. And a fuse holder for the battery. Alright, let's check a look at the tune-up report now. We got it on AM. We got the power. Let's run it all the way down. Turn the mic down. Power all the way down. We're looking at the top scale there where it says 2 watts. All the way up, 10 watts. Peak power, 50 watt scale. It's going to be in the middle there. There's 30, 40, and 50.
Audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, check, check. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, 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 check. Audio.
And side in.
Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Looks really good. A little bit of FM.
Audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check, 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 check. Audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
It don't matter to us down here in Fort Lauderdale where you're at.
Hey, A1 truck wash is standing by. Yeah, A1 truck wash is standing by at this time. I got 3 in line, and we're waiting. We're just having fun. That other guy sitting at his house base station.
Nobody really cares.
Check, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 7, 8, 9, 10.